Ever wondered if the Yamaha MT-07 is the perfect first bike? Or maybe you're thinking, is it too powerful? Too wild? Well, stick around, because today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the MT-07 specs, real-world performance, and a few surprising facts you didn't see coming. Let's dive in. A brief overview. The Yamaha MT-07, also known as the Master of Torque, has been a fan favorite since its debut in 2014. It's lightweight, torquey, and ridiculously fun to ride. But what makes it stand out? Well, for starters, it's got a 689cc parallel twin engine that delivers an intoxicating balance between power and control. And guess what? It's also one of the best-selling naked bikes worldwide. That says something, right? Technical specs. Alright, let's get nerdy, but not boring. Here are the key numbers you need to know. Engine, 689cc, liquid-cooled parallel twin. Horsepower, around 73 HP. Torque, 67 Newton meters, 49 pounds-feet. Weight, just 184 kilograms, 406 pounds, fully fueled. Top speed, about 200 kilometers per hour, 125 miles per hour. But hey, let's keep it legal. Yeah. What does all this mean? It means you're getting a bike that's light, powerful, and snappy, without being overwhelming. But does that make it a good choice for beginners? Let's talk about that. Is IT a good first bike? Okay, so here's the dealiest and no more YES. If you have some self-control and don't treat the throttle like an on-off switch, want a bike that you won't outgrow in 6 months, love a comfortable, upright riding position that won't kill your back. No, if you have zero riding experience and want to go full throttle on day one, prefer something super forgiving, like a 300cc starter bike. But let's be real, if you respect the power and take your time learning, the MT-07 can absolutely be a great first big bike. Interesting facts you didn't know. Alright, time for some fun facts. 1. It's called the hooligan bike because it loves popping wheelies. Though we do not recommend that, of course. Wink wink. 2. It's surprisingly with around 55 mpg, 4.3 L, 100 kilometers, meaning more time riding, less time at gas stations. 3. It has a cult following. MT-07 owners swear by it, and some even call it the best all-around bike ever made. 4. The CP2 engine is legendary. This engine is so good that Yamaha uses it in multiple bikes, including the R7 and 10R700. So, is the Yamaha MT-07 the bike for you? If you're looking for a lightweight, punchy, and versatile machine, it might just be the perfect ride. But remember, respect the bike, master your skills, and most importantly, have fun. What do you think? Is the MT-07 a dream machine or a little too much for a beginner? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.